to learn how to move your hands in flamenco? Just follow me in the next video. Hi there, it's Maria Vega with the Open Flamenco Project, your online place to learn everything about flamenco and Spanish dance. So, are you ready to learn to move your hands in flamenco? It's not difficult at all. You'll tell me at the end of this video. So just start thinking only about the wrists, okay? Only wrist. We're not going to move the fingers for now. So make a fist for me. And now just think about moving your wrist like this. Okay, just making circles with your wrist. That's it. I'm just making circles. There you go. Okay. So you're going one way. Now let's change to the other way. There we go. Okay. That's great. Easy, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So now what we're going to do is just to go inside one circle and then another outside. Okay? So 1 and 2. So just 1 and 2. Yeah, same as we were doing before. So circles with your wrist. Okay? There you go. Ah, you feel the warmth now, isn't it? Yeah, it's warming up, definitely. Okay, so just 1 to the outside and then 1 to the inside. Okay, outside and inside. Outside and inside. That's great. Okay, so now that you got the wrist movement, let's open up your fingers and let's start working with them. So now we're gonna think that the middle finger is the one leading the movement for the rest of the fingers. Okay, so keeping the same movement that we did before with our wrist, let's start adding up our fingers. So this one, remember, is leading the movement. So one movement, one twist, and then the other twist around. Okay, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. That's great. And now I'm gonna give you a couple tips to remember how to move your hands. I really want to grab something that is there and then bring it back to me. So take something from the outside and bring it to the inside. Yeah. 1 and 2. Just think about that flexibility in your fingers and in your wrist, giving yourself the widest range of movement you can achieve when you are practicing. I have another tip to remember how to move your wrist. One of the things I use with my students is I ask them to imagine that they have a spoon and they are stirring the soup. So basically, you take the spoon with these 2 fingers, okay? And now, how do you stir the soup or the coffee? Whatever, okay? Yeah, so you're stirring it. So that is basically my wrist movement. Remember to stir the soup. Go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Well done. Yeah, you're doing it. That's it. There's no more to it. And 1 and 2. And then you're gonna start practicing in other positions. I'm going to the 5th, to the 2nd. Okay? Just keep practicing until you find it natural. There you go. You got it. It's a positive sign when this part is tired. Once you feel really confident with your hands movement, you can start exploring other ways to make it a bit more personal. For instance, there's people that moves the hands a bit more like this. So they start with a small finger instead of the one in the middle. So if you see this kind of movement is absolutely correct. It's just another way to feel your hand movements once you feel confident with your technique. I really hope you find this video useful. Please let me know in your comments your questions, your thoughts, maybe things that you would like to see on my channel. I would love to hear from you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, just give me a like. You can also follow me on social media as Maria Vega Dancer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.